Hi, I'm Santina from WTI, and if you're looking for a beautiful pair of diamond earrings, these are absolutely gorgeous. These are 14 karat gold studs from the Diamond Channel. I really love how versatile they are. So as you can see, I can wear them in my second holes for an everyday classic look, or they can really stand out on their own. They're beautiful and elegant. They also can go with so many different styles. They're round and gold. You can match them with just about anything, which really makes them a perfect pair of diamond earrings. And these would make an excellent gift. So if you're looking for a beautiful gift for your loved one, they're gorgeous. They go on so well. I love the way they look with so many different outfits, and I hope that they're going to look just as gorgeous on you. And that's my point of view.